Real physics says you could cross 10,000 light-years of space in about 1 second through a wormhole and survive the trip. But the same equations hide a price on the far side of that second, a price almost nobody mentions. Let's find out. In the movies, a wormhole is just a doorway. Jump in, pop out, roll credits. Most people assume the truth is even simpler, pure fiction. But wormholes fell out of Einstein's own equations almost a century ago. The problem is what those equations actually describe. Picture space as a sheet of paper with you on one edge and a distant star on the other. Fold the paper, punch a hole through both layers, and the longest journey in the galaxy becomes a single step. That fold has a name. In 1935, Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen found it hiding inside general relativity, a bridge connecting two distant regions of space. We now call it a wormhole. It's a real solution to real physics. So why aren't we packing? Because this natural wormhole is a trap. Run the equations forward and the tunnel pinches shut so fast that nothing, not even light, can make it across before the walls slam together. And each entrance is the horizon of a black hole, a door that only swings inward. Fly into an Einstein and Rosen bridge, and you don't take a shortcut, you just end. So the honest answer would be no, if that were the only kind of wormhole physics allows. But in 1988, physicists found the loophole. It runs on a substance that shouldn't exist. To keep a wormhole's throat from collapsing, you have to push back against gravity itself, and the push has to come from something outrageous. Exotic matter, stuff with negative energy, less than nothing. That sounds made up. It isn't. Hold two metal plates a hair apart in a perfect vacuum, and the space between them holds measurably less energy than the empty space around them, an effect physicists confirmed in the lab back in 1997. The vacuum can dip below zero. Nature really does permit the impossible ingredient. Just so far, only in whispers. That was the door Kip Thorne and Michael Morris pushed open when they worked out the blueprint for a traversable wormhole, a tunnel with no horizons, propped open that you could cross and survive. And in 2020, the physicist Juan Maldacena and his colleague Alexei Millikan went further. They designed what they called a humanly traversable wormhole, one where the forces stay gentle enough for a human body the whole way through. No spaghettification, no crushing. You drift in, you fall through, and about 1 second later, by your own watch, you step out, 10,000 light years away. 1 quiet second, you would survive the trip. And that is exactly when you discover what the trip really cost. Here's where it gets strange. That 1 second was yours alone. Fall through the wormhole, and your clock and the universe's clock come apart. You experience a single heartbeat of falling. Outside, more than 10,000 years go by. Everyone you said goodbye to has been gone for 100 centuries. The star you left is somebody's ancient history. A wormhole isn't really a tunnel through space at all. It's a trap door into the future, and it locks behind you. And it gets stranger. Check the math, and your shortcut lost the race. A boring beam of light, crawling the long way around through ordinary space, arrives before you do. The universe permits the tunnel, but only a slow one that can never beat light. That's not bad luck. That's the rule that keeps reality consistent. Because a wormhole that beats light can be turned into a time machine, a loop that delivers you into your own past. And when physicists rig one on paper, quantum theory appears to fight back. Stephen Hawking argued that the vacuum itself piles up energy at the exact moment the time loop would open and blows the tunnel apart. He called it chronology protection, the universe defending its own history. Think about that for a second. So, could you survive a trip through a wormhole? Your body? Yes. On paper, the crossing itself is the gentlest ride in all of physics. One quiet second, no jolt, no tearing. But your life doesn't survive. Your world, your people, your century, the wormhole keeps them. The toll isn't paid in matter. It's paid in time. And the biggest question is still wide open. Does the universe actually build these things? None has ever been observed. The humanly traversable kind needs physics beyond what we've confirmed. Extra ingredients our universe may simply not stock. We don't actually know yet. But here's the part that keeps astronomers up at night. From the outside, a wormhole mouth would look almost identical to a black hole. So in the last few years, physicists have started listening, searching real gravitational wave data for a telltale echo, a faint extra ring after two dark giants collide. The sound a tunnel would make that a true black hole never could. We've already cataloged hundreds of black holes. If even one of them ever echoes back, it isn't a hole, it's a door. So here's the one thing to take with you. A wormhole wouldn't kill you. It would keep you 1 second older 10,000 years too late. The universe lets you take the shortcut. It just never lets you come home. Got a question about the universe? Ask Hallie. Drop it in the comments and subscribe, because tomorrow we're chasing another one. And if this bent your brain in a good way, watch what happens if you fall into a black hole next, because the door a wormhole almost is a black hole actually is. Keep looking up.